Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very, very well. Any subscribers that have not yet entered the February giveaway, this is a Beauty Bakery palette plus blusher plus mascara. Please enter. I will leave the link down below. Yeah, it ends the last day in February, which is what, I don't know whether it's 28th now. Do we have a leap year this year? I'm pretty sure we do. It's all in the description, what to do, how to do it. So yeah, if you'd like to take part, then please subscribe and click on that link and enter yourselves into that. So today we're talking about Sweet Sparkle. For those of you that do not know, this is a American subscription beauty box. I've had this a few months now and I find the Sweet Sparkle beauty box is more makeup heavy, which I prefer, rather than loads and loads of skincare things. Nothing wrong with skincare, but I do get quite a lot from other subscription boxes that I do have. So when I found that Sweet Sparkle did ship to the UK, I was on board and have liked the products that I receive every month. You normally get around about 5 products, and from what I remember, I believe they are always full-size products as well, and there's normally a mixture of makeup items that everybody would probably like, so hence why I am doing this. Now the cost is £18 and a few pence. That is including shipping, taxes and everything. That is everything included, so I don't actually think that is such a bad deal. Okay, so it comes in a little red box. It comes in one of these jiffy baggy things, and then this is the box that you get, which is great. And then inside you receive your products. On the lid it says "Hey Pretty." This is the dreaded face mask that I always seem to get in these beauty boxes, and there are our products, so let's have a look. Now there's no paperwork, so actually I can't tell you the value of this box. Do you know what, I can't actually remember whether I've received paperwork before. I can't remember. But the first product anyway is a real squeeze mask. It's made of bamboo. It looks like it's a Korean one, so I can't tell you what it's for. But I assume you just pop it on your face, leave it for 10 minutes and then, yeah, wipe it off. So I have no idea what it's supposed to do. Oh wait, I just found some English. This refreshing watertight real mask enriched with ambient moisture of vitalizing bamboo leaves dry skin moisturized. So there you go, that's what it's for, dry skin. Right, next we have Cosme liquid matte lip wears. That's the box, and it has the colour shade of, I can't read. The value for this is $22. Okay, so they're putting the value on the actual items. Does it say what the value is for this one? Not that I can see, no. Ooh, that's a bit of a vibrant colour. So that is the colour. I will wear this. It's kind of like my shades. I do like the deep sort of colours, like the reds and burgundies, the dark browns. And it's quite a nice vibrant colour actually. So that is that. Oh, it smells gorgeous. It actually smells, it just smells like a cake actually, like a vanilla cake. I don't know whether that's a clue. I don't know whether they're supposed to. Cosme bakery, I don't know, but it smells delicious. So that's the second item in our box, so happy with that. I will use that for sure. And we have a bubble wrapped item. This is a baked blush. It's in the colour Dangerous, and it's by Be a Bombshell. I think that's the brand. It doesn't say any retail price on the packaging, which looks like this. Sorry, forgetting to show you. I'm getting too excited to get in there. And inside the box is, that's quite a nice size as well. Okay. Be a Bombshell Cosmetics baked blush. Okay. Quite a nice colour, nice tones on that. Yeah, that's quite a nice subtle colour. Nice, I'll use that. So that's that. So that's third item. Then we have this, whatever this is. This is by Bang Beauty. It's in the colour black and it is, what is it? It's this. Bang Beauty Position Tip Liner, colour black. That's nice. Yeah, it's really black and there's no dragging and this is not bleeding out either. And it is quite a nice fine tip. And I like the packaging. It's got like this silver pen type thing. Yeah, I quite like that. It looks quite expensive actually. Does it say anything about price? No, I don't like the fact that we don't know what prices stuff is. I prefer that, and I like reading a little bit of details about the items, so I'm not sure how I feel about that. Then it looks like we've got I've had a couple of these which I do like. This is Luna by Luna, and this is an eyeshadow, and it is in the colour Plum. So I've had a couple of these in subscription boxes. I have to say, it's not something that I tend to gravitate towards because I do use my palettes, but it's a nice colour. It looks like it's got a little bit of shimmer in it. Oh, it's very soft. Are you seeing that, guys? Yeah, definitely got some shimmer in it. It's a nice subtle pink colour. I like it. It's nice. Just here, if you can see it. Very subtle. Okay, so that is our Sweet Sparkle unboxing complete. So just to recap, we have the Luna by Luna eyeshadow in the colour Plum. I wouldn't necessarily say that is plum because to me, that is pink. Here, that is pink. So yeah, I don't actually know the retail on that. And then we had the Bang Beauty, the fine line eyeliner, which I like the packaging, and I like that it's a really fine nib. We then had the Cosme matte lipstick. Is this dry? Yeah, this is dried down now, so that's not shifting. That is not budging. I mean, I'm dragging my hand on that quite a lot, and neither is that one. So yeah, seems like a good brand. Looks like it's gonna stay put. And then we had Be a Bombshell. We had the blusher. That was in the colour Dangerous. Oh, it's a baked blush. Don't know what the difference is, guys. If anybody knows, let me know in the comments below. So that's that. So not a bad collection of goodies. As I say, I do really enjoy this subscription box. I'll probably keep it going. I love this more than I do Glossy Box, which I'm going to cancel. I'm not feeling that. Last few months, I'm afraid, I haven't really kind of felt that. This is for dry skin, so probably not really good for me. And unfortunately, I do not suffer with dry skin. So I will pop this in probably a giveaway box at some point and just do a massive giveaway. I'm thinking that I'm going to collect all my giveaway that I don't use, things that I don't need. I'm going to shove them in a box and I'm going to do like a big Christmas box of goodies to somebody. Okay, so that is all from Sweet Sparkle, my lovelies. I will leave the link down below in case you want to try it out yourself. But it's a subscription that I feel that I will probably continue to use. So don't forget, if you like these kinds of videos of unboxings, we do Stitch Fix, we do Look Hero clothing subscriptions, we do jewellery, all kinds of things on this channel. So be sure to subscribe. Don't forget to leave your lovely comments down below. Like my video, please. It really helps for my videos to be pushed forward. And that's it. Have yourselves a really good day. Please take care of yourselves, particularly out in this bad, rubbish weather. I hope it hasn't affected you too badly and that everybody is well and good and looking after themselves. So I'll speak to you in the next video. Please take care. Bye for now. Bye.